Adúpẹ́ ipe ẹ káàbọ̀. Well done, sir.
Well done, ma.
Well done, ma.
Well done.
Well done.
Any other sort that I can say well done. Well done.
Well done,
Well done, ma. Style tí mo fi máa kọrin. Naturally, ó ti ní kíní yẹn nínú. Ọmọdé mẹ́ta ń ṣeré, bad, bado, baddest. Àrò mẹ́ta lórí beating, bad, bado, baddest. Ọmọdé mẹ́ta ń ṣeré, say bad, bado, baddest. Àrò mẹ́ta lórí beating, bad, bado, baddest. Thank you very much.
Àwọn English tó máa ń sọ yẹn, ó máa ń pa mí lẹ́rìn gbà mí. Sydney tí mo fi béèrè wípé ṣé kò gbọ́ English rárá nítorí tó fi jẹ́ pé àwọn English ò kì í correct.
Bá a ṣe máa ń revise ẹ̀ ṣe something tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn lè lò fún Yorùbá because I'm not somebody so fast in that area, understand? But when it comes to the English language, we have a manner that we used to master it. Come to the English language, there's a manner that we used to master it, understand? Master it so perfectly that nobody can really touch us. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much to all the fans out there, all the supporters, all the lovers of Falz The Bad guy. I so much appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for changing your channel to this one so that you can be able to embrace my presence in this place. Thank you so much. Continue to motivate me. And to all the people out there that wish to be like myself, I just want to tell you that don't ever look down. Determination will take you there. Wait a minute.
Well done, ma.